Good day, everyone. So today we will be diving into HTML headings. During our previous video, we've done the HTML attribute, which we've said that it's used to add more functionalities to all the tags. So today we will be learning about the HTML headings. So in HTML, we have 6 types of headings. So from H1 to H6. The H1 is the biggest size of the H1 means headings. So that's the full name of that H there. So it is the biggest, while the H6 is the least, the smallest. So we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So now, for example, now if I say that you are welcome to my website, for example. Let me enlarge this for us to see very well. If I should enlarge this now, if I say you are welcome to my website, so now I save and I preview it. If I should preview it, you will see the output here. Now you can see now that this is now the biggest size, now H1. So now if I should come back here and type the H2, and I rename this to H2, and I save it, you see it's now becoming more bigger. So now let me break it down: H3, H4, H5, H6, and then if I should rename this H3 and close what H3, and this H4 and close H4, then we have H5 and close what H5, and the last one is what H6 and closed what H6. But you save it and we preview it. You see now that this is the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now the H6 is the least, and the H1 is the biggest. So now what's the use for this H? So headings is used to, like, it's used mostly for browsers query. That is, for example, now this is one of the things that our search engines used to search for in all the websites that we've seen. So whereby you search for something, whenever you searched for something, you'll see some headings for each segment of what you've searched, right? So now the headings is what is taken care of, and this is one of the things that our search engine used to locate in all the websites before. So we will discuss more about this in our upcoming videos. Now, based on what we've learned in our previous videos about the stylings, so now we can add an attribute to this about what style attribute, and we can change the color to this color. And then let's say we have color blue. If I say color blue, and I save it, you can see now that this one will change to what? To color blue. We've discussed about this during our previous videos under our HTML attribute. So now, based on what we've learned so far, now this is all about the hashtag. And in case you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay.